Alright, what I'd like to show you guys today is my tote for my ultrasonic fogger. I've took my pipe off there so I can show you the inside of it. You know how bad everybody hates to clean these. You gotta clean them, you gotta clean your discs. They get all yucky on the inside. Well, I haven't cleaned mine for 2 months. And I'll show you what I've done. Alright, I got my House of Hydro 12 disc ultrasonic fogger there. I did hook a PEX line up to it. Finally broke down and put my float valve in there so it fills up by itself. And then there's my filter system. It just sucks the water in, filters it, pushes it right back out on top of my UV light. I haven't cleaned this for 2 months. There's no buildup on the heads on the ultrasonic fogger. There's no buildup of yucky green stuff all over it. We're in the winter time. It's kind of off season for us since we do farmers markets a lot. So I just thought I would try something, and this right here, it works perfect. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. This thing is crazy how good it works. I used to have green stuff floating around in there and it would get all slimy, and my discs, they would be all nasty. But now, I no longer have that problem. You can see it's clean in here. It looks like there's some buildup of calcium or whatever right there. But I've not had any trouble with blotch. I'm still growing mushrooms. Just not very many. Just enough for family and friends and a few people that buy them from me on the off season. But yeah. If you're tired of cleaning, get you one of these right here. Get you a tote. I'm not sure of the name brand of this. I bet it don't even matter if you had one. It would work. So, friendoffungimushroomfarm.com. Follow for more.